Okay, to start with, we need to unthread the machine. Remember to snip your thread up at the top and pull it out at the needle. Take out your bobbin, and you can put your bobbin right down in here for safekeeping. Now for cleaning your machine, I recommend taking your needle out and taking the foot off. Now to take the needle out, you want to turn off your machine. So we're going to unscrew the needle. There we go. Take the needle out. I'm going to put that down there for safekeeping. Take the foot off, pull it straight forward, put that down in there. Now we have one screw to take off of there using the screwdriver that came with your accessories. I'm going to put the top end of that right behind the needle threader. And you can see with the needle out of the way, it's easy to access that. And then once it's up high enough, I just do it with my fingers. It's easy. And because that screw is little, we want to make sure and keep that in a safe place too. Now we can lift up the needle plate, take out the bobbin case, and there's not too much lint in here, but there is some, so I'm going to use the brush to clean it out. You see, it got a little bit of lint there. Also clean your bobbin case really well, all sides, and in your feed dogs. This is especially important if you have sewn something that has fuzz like flannel or fleece. Okay, now to put it back together, this little knob is going to go right next to that stopper, and this part of the bobbin case is going to fit right on that metal rim. So we scoop it underneath the feed dogs, lay it down like that. I like to rock it a little bit to make sure it's in the right place, and the bobbin case is put back. Now we put the needle plate back on. So lay it in like that. Get that little screw, put that in there. Take your screwdriver and tighten it up a little bit more. So to put the needle in, again, make sure that you have the light off. You may have turned it on in order to clean the lint out, but make sure and turn it back off. Now it's important to have a fresh needle in your machine. For every 3 full bobbins of thread that you use up, or the equivalent, by that time the needle has gone through the fabric so many times that the tip might be a little bit dull. A dull tip can damage your fabric. So change your needle often and make sure you use the correct kind of needle for the fabric that you're sewing. Okay, we're going to put this in here. Make sure that the needle clamp is undone enough. If you look carefully down here, you can see the top of the needle right up in there. It should be all the way up to the stopper. Hold it firmly up and tighten the needle clamp screw. Take your screwdriver and tighten it up a little bit more. It's important to use the screwdriver to make sure that the needle stays in the needle clamp. Next, we put the foot on like this. I hold it all 4 corners, push it straight back, and it's right on. Now your machine is ready to sew. And that's taking care of your machine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.